You see, me, I'm what they'd call a burner.
What?
Some men just want to watch the world burn.
Fire. Fire. Burning.
Now that is what a burner is. But most importantly, I'd like to welcome you, and I'd like to share a little bit more with you, being that this is our first time meeting. Long ago, I was an acolyte, birthed in the flames, a student of writing with fire. They call me Ancient Burner. But now, I'm just a basic boy, living a basic life. A 9-to-5er, Ford F-150, married, doggy. I've chosen the path of using my limited time here on Earth to burn dead trees.
But you need to tell them what you're going to share. You have to tell them the plan.
Well, I'll share techniques I've developed along the way. Time-lapse videos, live streams possibly, sharing the story of the gods, the extra dimensions, ancient history. Do you think those are the plans they were like?
You have to remember to do it for you first.
You know what? You're very right. You're a very smart little poo-poo. I am grateful for you tuning in to watch this video. On the next video, we're going to talk about the gear that I used to wood burn and the gear that I used to document this series. And until next time.
Fire.
You have to remember to do it for you first.